Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing the phone. Make sure battery is above 20% and the device is unlocked. Once done, open Settings or long press the home screen to reach wallpaper options. You choose live wallpapers if you want built-in motion, or pick a GIF/MP4 from gallery when you prefer a custom animation. This step gets you directly into the interface that applies motion wallpaper, so don't linger, select the source now to proceed to customization. You now pick the exact wallpaper and customize how it behaves. Tap a thumbnail to preview motion. Make sure to check sound and animation speed. Then adjust crop or scaling so key parts of the image aren't cut off, and select whether to apply to home, lock, or both. This choice matters for battery impact. If the built-in options don't accept your file, use a trusted third-party app to convert MP4/GIF to the required format. That ensures compatibility and proper playback. You're at the finish line. Tap Apply or Set Wallpaper, then lock and unlock the phone to confirm the animation runs on the chosen screen. If the live wallpaper doesn't animate, restart the phone and reselect the file. Make sure the file resolution isn't too high or convert it to a supported format. Also check battery saver and animation settings, and update system software or the wallpaper app. These fixes resolve most issues and get your live wallpaper working smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.